Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Sagacious Teck account with your email, using your email and few of your details. For some of us that don't know about Sagacious Teck account or Sagacious Teck hosting, Sagacious Teck hosting is one of the best and most reliable hosting company in Nigeria and across the globe. They are fast growing and their services are superb. You can rely on them at any time during your website career. Now, if you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so by clicking on the like button or the subscribe button so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video on stuff like this. So let's dive into creating a Sagacious Teck account. Now, if you want to create a Sagacious Teck account, there are some few details you just need. Let's click on the Get Started button. When you click on the Get Started button, you're to fill in some of your information. You can just fill in your information gradually. When you get to your postcode, you can just search for the postcode your city is. You can go to Google and Google that out, fill in your details correctly. Then when you get to additional required information, please, if you are in Nigeria, please select a Nigerian account, which is your currency should be in NGN, which is Naira. But if you're outside Nigeria, you can state your currency in USD. So you can put your password. After putting your password, I will just copy and paste my password there. Then I will click on the reCAPTCHA button that is there to validate if I am a human. Then I'm going to click on the I have agreed to your terms and conditions of the website. Then I'll click on register. Immediately I click on register, it will take me to the registration page. It will take me to the dashboard rather, but I have already registered this particular account, so I just need to log in to show you how the dashboard looks like and how you can begin placing your order from the dashboard. Now this is my dashboard. Awesome. So if I want to place an order, I can simply go to services. I can go to my services or click on order new service. Now I can choose any plan of my choice. Go through the plan. You can see their features. You can pick the first, you can pick the second, or whichever one you want to pick. Let me just go with the first one for tutorial purpose. Then I'm going to fix in my domain here. Now let's say test developers. Let's say this is, then I will select my .liv. let's see, let's check for it if it's available. Okay, they said congratulations, is available, and the amount there is just 7,385 naira. So I will click on continue. When I'm done clicking on continue, you see some of the services are free here. These two I selected now are free, but this one is a paid one, which is 2,200, which is ID protection. The ID protection is to protect your information. Whenever they search for the WHOIS status of your domain, your information will not show, rather it will be showing restricted. But if I decide not to select it, my information, my email, my name and full name will be showing whenever somebody search who is the owner of the site. So I always advise you select that ID protection to protect you from the outsiders. Now you can see this is the total. Then I'll click on checkout. Then takes you to the payment page. Now I always like making payment via bank transfer. There are other options here. If you want to pay using USD, you can select this option, but I always like using bank transfer so I can contact them or make payment directly. So I will click on I have read the terms and condition. Then I will just click on what, complete order. Immediately I click on complete order, I'm going to be provided with the account details. Are you seeing here? I'm going to be provided with the account details where I can make my transfer, and immediately I make my transfer, my account will be activated. But in case my account is not activated on time, I can also message them on their live chat or their WhatsApp, which is where we saw from the beginning of the video. So thanks guys, I hope you learned something from this video. I'm going to be doing more videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. God bless you.